Hi guys, this is Matthew again. This is our third strategy for today. For those who haven't subscribed to all our channels, don't forget to subscribe to all our 3 channels to watch all the strategies we dropped today. And this is the third strategy, that's 7. So I'm going to close this. And so here we are going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, digits over and under. So we are working with the 3 ticks and the last prediction of 0. So we are going to place just 2 trades. I'm going to place 2 trades. And briefly before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citytechnologies.com.ng. the boat is automated trading boat and it works on both deriv and binary.com interface. Just visit the order page to order the boats. Here are some of the results of the boats. The image is a bit let me zoom it out a bit. So the boat is 9.99 USD. It's 9.99 USD. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, and other payment options. And the PIPSREAPER boat as well is just 7.99 USD. It works on both deriv and binary.com as well. And you can see some of the results right here. The PIPSREAPER boats. To order the boats, visit binarypipsreaper.citytechnologies.com.ng, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. So here, as stated earlier, we'll be trading. Here are the links again to order the boats. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, we are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. To order the TOUCHSCALPER boat is the link right there, and to sign up for a free trading account, there's a link right there. Check the video description on YouTube. To subscribe to all our channels, this is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. So once you've logged in, you go to the D Trader and you change this to Smart Trader. At the top left corner, you click on Smart Trader. Then you go to the synthetic indices, you click on Volatility 25 index. Then you go to digits, you click on digits over under. The duration, you set it to 3 ticks. The last prediction, you set it to 0. Then you enter the stake amount. Then once the last digit here is 7, you are going to be clicking on the digit 7. You click on digits over. Okay, you can see we want that trade there. We want that trade. So we are going to place one more trade again. Then you repeat this step after 1 hour. So let's place one more trade. So once the last number is 7, we are going to click on purchase. That's 5, 6, 2, 7. That's 7. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. So as you can see, we want that trade too. We want that trade. So you can repeat the process after 1 hour. You can do it like 4 or 5 times in a day. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. And for those who haven't purchased the boat, visit the order pages to order the boat. Thanks for watching. Bye.